I didn't understand before now the level of collaboration, like how many people were involved from different countries trying to help with the war effort. All kinds of people with expertise coming together to help increase production.
There was this one story in there that was really interesting. This guy's mom made a life jacket, and that life jacket went on to her son, and it saved her son when his ship got torpedoed.
It was like having my mother's arms around me, he said.
I did not know that.
So I didn't realize that M&M's was created for soldiers. I had no idea.
I'm a historian. I grew up in Garland. Places like the craft manufacturing, you drive by them and you're just like, okay, yeah, I know about them, I've seen them. But to see this deeper connection, it's really cool to place a building in context with the past and then also how we've transitioned to now.
I think it's very nice to bring this kind of thing to the local area. People don't get to really involve themselves in it and understand the impact on today.